好，我们来看这一道题 ，World's population。大家呢先把这个视频暂停一下，可以给自己40秒的时间，把这道题通读一遍。好，我们来看一下第一部分。How quickly is the world's population growing？ 第一句话我们要注意什么呢？这个 K 不要读成了 quickly，OK？、你们听我读 ，How quickly？How quickly is the world's population growing? World's 不要忘了这个 s。How quickly is the world's population growing？ 这里呢可以有个小小的声调是没有问题的。In the United States and other developed countries. In the United 不要读成 United，OK？、不是很好听。In the United States。In the United States and other developed countries， 这个 D 呢，我是不是一带而过呀？我没有读成 and， 对吧 ？And other developed P 后面这个 D 呢，有点偏这个 T 的音，但你不能读成 developed， 也不能读成 developed， 中间 developed 听起来越像 D 又像 T。And other developed countries, the current growth rate is very low. The current 你们听这个 T 呢，我甚至没有发出这个音，有同学呢会读成 the current growth rate。也没有问题。The current growth rate is very low. 连起来读一下。How quickly is the world's population growing? In the United States and other developed countries, the current growth rate is very low. 好，第二句。In most developing countries, in most 这个 T 呢不要读成 most 是错的 ，OK？ 非常快。In most developing countries, the human population is growing at 3 people per second. 我没有读成 growing at 3， 我是 growing at 3 people per second。这个 T 呢，非常的快，没有读成 at。我再读一遍，大家听一下。In most developing countries, the human population is growing at 3 people per second. Second， 这个 D 不能吞掉，因为这是句号，前面这个音呢一定要把它发出来。OK， 不能读成 per second， 是错的。Second。一定要有这个音。第三部分 ，because of this boosting growth rate， because of 不要读成 because of， 这个呢偏 V 的音，我讲过之前 ，because of this boosting 不要读成 bursting，OK？boosting growth rate，growth 不要读成 gross， 是 growth rate。这里有个逗号，对不对？这个 T 呢要把这个音发出来 ，growth rate。Human population is grown to reach 9 billion within your lifetime. 这个不要说 grow， 有个 n grown， OK？ Human population is grown to reach 9 billion within your lifetime. 好，整篇文章还是比较简单，对不对？没有非常难的单词，句子也比较简单，没有非常长的句子，没有非常复杂的断句的地方。OK， 所以这种题呢，我们一定要争取把这个满分拿下，无论是发音还是流利度还是内容。OK， 我们来读一下。How quickly is the world's population growing? In the United States and other developed countries, the current growth rate is very low. In most developing countries, the human population is growing at 3 people per second. Because of this boosting growth rate, human population is grown to reach 9 billion within your lifetime. All right, guys, thank you.